Hello everyone. We are going to see the graphical representation of a stationary wave formed due to the reflection of plane progressive wave from an open ends. So see here carefully how we will make a mathematical and graphical representation to form a stationary wave through an open end. So here in this we know that a stationary wave is formed due to superposition of two identical wave traveling in opposite direction. This is the superposition, and the principle which behind to formation of superposition is formation of stationary wave is principle of superposition. So see here how it is. Here two identical wave is plane progressive wave. This is plane progressive wave. Identical wave means same amplitude, one thing, same frequency, same velocity. So for stationary wave, these are the conditions. Now see here carefully here in this table, by which we will see serial number 1. We are going to write equation of wave which is reflected from a free end. So incident wave, that is called, the general equation of that is y is equal to a sine 2 pi in bracket t by capital T minus x by lambda. And when it's reflected from this sine wave, this equation changes. Y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by capital T plus x by lambda. So it is in direction of plus x-axis and this is in the direction of minus x-axis. In that condition, both will be in opposite directions. Now see, we will take under different times. So after this, we will take in time. When time is equal to, we will see here time when it is t is equal to 0. So in that condition, equation of incident wave becomes, by putting 0 here, y is equal to a sine in bracket minus 2 pi x by lambda by keeping time as 0. Then this equation becomes minus a sine 2 pi x by lambda. See, this is the equation. Here. And this reflected equations automatically becomes here a sine 2 pi x by lambda. We are going to draw this equation on a graph. Now see this equation here on the graph. Y is equal to incident wave is minus a sine 2 pi x by lambda. Minus means downward. And it is from a beginning. When we plot this here, we obtain the scenario in this way. This is incident wave traveling in this direction. Incident wave. It is a strike at a free end, or it is called open end. When it is strike, the reflected wave is given by the red colored dotted line here in it. This is reflected wave is here, right? These two wave, it is traveling in this direction. Free end to here and incident wave in this direction, represented by the arrows here. Both combined by a principle of superposition. So see the resultant wave. Resultant wave is represented by the black color here. So resultant wave is due to this incident wave, medium particles want to move upward and reflected wave moves down and equal amplitude is there. So resultant wave disappear. Resultant wave disappear here. You see very carefully in this. Now see here in the mathematical expression, when we take a time is equal to 1/4 of time period. In that condition, putting the value in our general equation of incident wave becomes y is equal to a sine 2 pi. In place of this is capital T by 4t minus x by lambda. Now t by t is cancelled. So it's become y is equal to a sine. T is cancelled. It is pi by 2 minus 2 pi x by lambda. So in that condition, this expression can be written as a sine. Sine 90 minus theta is cosine. Cos theta and theta is here 2 pi x by lambda. So see the shape of incident wave. This form, this equation transformed into it. So its a resultant wave is here represented by minus a cos 2 pi x by lambda. These both are cosine wave. We are going to draw this cosine wave here. So see very carefully for the representation of cosine wave at t by 4. See here t by 4 incident wave has a positive. So it will begin from the upper side of a graph. So see what is the situation at t by 4. Here in this t by 4, here the incident wave is same as this. Same as incident is here. So see the graph of the incident wave. It is a cos wave with a positive side. So see here in t by 4 the waves are. Here these waves are incident wave with green color here represented. This is cosine wave. This is cosine incident wave is here. Wave is here. Since reflected wave is same as incident wave here in this case. So if it is same, so see the reflected wave from a red dotted point, it is same as it is. So this red is moving opposite to it. This red is called here reflected wave. So see the resultant wave with black color here. In that condition, both wave combine by the principle of superposition. So the resultant wave is algebraic sum of both according to the rule. So both wave combine, the resultant wave, their amplitude, see here in the diagram, is changes in this way. So resultant wave so this black is the resultant wave. See, in the previous case the resultant wave was disappear, but it's appear with higher amplitude in this case. Now we want to see when time is half of the time period. Then equation of incident wave, we want to see what is the shape at this situation. Y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by 2t minus x by lambda. So in that condition it's become a sine, t is cancelled by t, it is pi minus 2 pi x by lambda. Now see here, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so it becomes pure sine wave. See in this diagram clearly. So sine wave is same as, see here in this case, sine wave is same as this. Here in this case, this sine wave is opposite to both here. Sine wave, cos wave is the same. So sine wave again will be opposite. It is y is equal to minus a sine 2 pi x by lambda. This is a sine wave. It is opposite as incident. So let us draw the graph, the position of the graph here. Now see here in it, it is a positive. So its displacement is upward, sign upward. So see very carefully. So see the sine wave here at t is equal to capital T by 4 in positive direction. So see it is their displacement vectors. It is pure sine wave with positive. This is the incident wave in that. What is this? Incident wave traveling along it. So sine wave it just becomes in the diagram just opposite, because the resultant wave equation is here given of it minus side. What is this? Minus, opposite to the incident in sine wave. Now reflected wave from this open end, how it changes? See the peak values opposite to the incident. This is incident wave, a reflected wave traveling in this direction. What is this? A reflected wave. Both this incident wave with green color, reflected wave is with red color, combined by the principle of superposition, and the resultant wave again disappear. So see here, resultant wave again disappear at this situation, particular situation. Now take when time is equal to 3t by 4. See the equation of incident wave, generally how it's formed. Y is equal to a sine 2 pi 3t by 4 minus x by lambda. So it's become a sine 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi x by lambda. Right? Sorry, it is a. Now, resultant wave equation here 3 pi by 2 minus is a cos. This cos is in opposite side. Minus becomes minus a cos 2 pi x by lambda. See that. It is a cosine wave. So in case of cosine wave, the reflected wave is same as a incident wave. Through when it is strike with the open end, then it is y is equal to minus a cos 2 pi x by lambda. So see the graphical representation of both here on the graph paper once more. So both is from negative side of it. Now see for the cosine wave at t is equal to 3t by 4 here. So it is the minus side, the amplitude is here. Then see very carefully how this it changes. So when we join it with free hand, see the equation of cosine incident wave is here. So it is equation of incident wave traveling in this direction. Since reflected wave is same as incident wave in case of the open ends, so reflected wave here is with red dotted point. This red is, what is this? Reflected wave here. So the resultant wave you see by principle of superposition here in this case. Very carefully. Both combine, that's why the resultant displacement is algebraic sum of both. So resultant is shifted here, just become doubles. It is here. This displacement is here. This point is here, displacement is here, again this point is here, displacement is here, point and displacement is here. So on joining this, see how the resultant wave formed. Resultant stationary wave is this. This is resultant stationary wave. Again it is appears with maximum intensity, maximum amplitude, just like as when time was t by 4. But it was in positive side and now it is in negative side. Now we want to see when time is equal to time period t. In that condition, see how equation changes. Y is equal to, again we will see for it is y is equal to a sine 2 pi t by t, this is t here, minus x by lambda. So it's become a sine 2 pi minus 2 pi x by lambda. So it is y is equal to this a amplitude is by minus a. So 2 pi minus theta is minus 2 sine theta, minus sine theta. So it's become minus a sine 2 pi x by lambda. Since it is sine wave in a negative side, and we know that reflected wave becomes opposite to the incident in sine wave, opposite as incident wave, then this equation becomes here y is equal to plus a sine 2 pi x by lambda here in this. So when we plot a graph for incident wave at t is equal to capital T, since incident wave was at a negative side, so see how this incident wave formed. This is incident wave traveling in this direction. Now see for the reflected wave, since sine wave becomes just opposite in case at open end, reflected wave will travel like this in this direction. This is reflected wave. So again see traveling two identical wave in opposite direction, superimpose equal intensity, then resultant wave again disappear. So this is resultant wave disappear again. When we plot graph at common places at all circumstances here in it, so let us see how the shape of the stationary wave formed at open end. See at t is equal to 0, the resultant wave was disappear. No wave formed. It was when t is equal to 0. So what was the situation when t is equal to t by 4? See the resultant wave maximum intensity in upward direction at t by 4. So see the resultant wave here, maximum intensity, minimum, maximum intensity, minimum, maximum intensity, minimum, maximum intensity, minimum, maximum. So see the resultant wave. This is the resultant wave at t is equal to t by 4. Right? Now see the situation when time is just half. Again wave disappear. So t is equal to wave disappear when time is half again. Now see the situation what happened when time is at 3t by 4 in this diagram. Now again maximum amplitude with negative side. See in that direction, minus here, here, join this. Sorry, these are not the lines here. So see very carefully, these situations occur when time is equal to 3t by 4. And again when t is equal to t, again wave disappear after the superposition. So this is the diagram of a stationary wave formed at the open end. See all the situation at t is equal to 3t by 4, we will get again 5t by 4 and so on. 3t by 4, 7t by 4 and same time it is 3t by 2. Again this. So in integral multiple the situation will be same, and when time will go on, this all waves will be stationary. Looks stationary means rest in the medium. That is why it is called stationary wave or standing wave. Right? So this is for whole the topic here. See, at a different situation, and then their resultant diagram is here. So this is for the topic given here. Thank you and have a nice day to all.